Hi, sweet lovers. Today I'm showing you a viral breakfast hack that breaks the internet. Ice cream fresh toast, crispy outside, creamy inside, and it only takes three ingredients. Let's make it. In a mixing bowl, whisk two eggs until smooth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your loved one for more viral recipe every week. Add melted ice cream and mix until fully combined. Dip each bread slice into the ice cream mixture. Coat both sides well. Just whisk your eggs, melt your ice cream and dip your bread. That it is. The smell in the kitchen right now is unbelievable. Heat a non-sticky pan on a medium heat and add butter. Place the deep bread on the hot pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and slightly crispy. Stack your fresh toast on a plate and add topping like extra ice cream. Look at that creamy. You have to try this ice cream fresh toast. It is pure breakfast magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe with someone who loves sweet morning. Thank you for tuning in.